Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailchimp campaigns for maximum reach. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Mailchimp campaigns for maximum reach, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Campaign button. Select the type of campaign that suits your needs, such as a regular email or an automated campaign. Now, give your campaign a distinctive name that reflects your content. Next, choose your audience by selecting the specific list you want to target. After that, click on the Next button to move on to the setup. In the From section, enter a recognizable sender name and email address. These details will establish trust with your recipients and improve open rates. Then, craft a compelling subject line that grabs attention and encourages clicks. Make sure it aligns with the content of your email for transparency. Next, select the Design Email option to customize your campaign's appearance. Use Mailchimp's templates to create a visually appealing layout. Incorporate high-quality images and engaging text that resonates with your audience. Remember to maintain brand consistency by using your brand colors and fonts. After designing, preview your email to ensure it looks good across different devices. Now, proceed to the Setup tab to set delivery options. Choose the optimal time to send your campaign for maximum engagement. Consider your audience's time zones and habits. Next, enable tracking options to measure performance effectively. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click the Next button to review your campaign. Take a moment to check for errors and ensure everything is in order. Finally, either send your campaign immediately or schedule it for later. After scheduling, monitor the performance metrics afterward to learn what worked best. Use this data to refine future campaigns for even greater reach and effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.